Cumin originates from Central Asia and Iran, and is a frequently used spice in Uyghur cuisine in Xinjiang, China. Cumin has an antiseptic and digestive effect. Adding cumin to dishes can warm the stomach and eliminate colds, alleviate digestive problems and stimulate the appetite. Cumin dispels a strong odor when exposed to high temperatures and can remove fishy smells. It is very suitable for meat dishes, especially meat with a strong odor. Cumin powder is the most important spice for barbecue dishes in Xinjiang, China. For the people of Xinjiang, the smell of cumin is magical. In the past, people sprinkled some cumin powder on the sacrifices when they made offerings. On the other hand, it was supposed to prevent the offerings from rotting. The ancient Egyptians used cumin as an antiseptic for mummies.